What I like about this lesson is you can apply what you learned in solving for x in solving for basic equations. So, for example, here, even if you have that symbol, it is actually easy because you just have to consider that as the equal sign, so or the bridge. Okay, so yeah, that just reminded me of the bridge. So let me go ahead and draw a bridge here. Okay, so this is going to be your bridge. That symbol is going to be your bridge. So keeping the x on the left side, and then here we go. I'm copying that because it's already on the right side. There's something wrong here. That -5 must be moved over to the right. So -5 becomes +5. And now I have 3x. And then 7 plus 5 is 12. Again, if you're solving for x, we need to get rid of that 3. Done. X is because you have that symbol. We're just going to copy that one. Equals 12. About 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now, how about if you have, let's say, number 2. Let's say we have 4x minus, say, plus 3 greater than 6x plus 13. Okay. So again, you got to draw the bridge there. We need both x's on the left side. That 6x becomes a -6x. Numbers should be on the right side. Just writing it down, and now see that -3, positive 3, move it over, becomes -3. 4 minus 6 is should give you -2x. 13 minus 3 is 10. Okay, so here you go. Now that I'm dividing both sides by negative, you got to be careful here. When you divide both sides by negative, you have to flip. It is important that you flip the symbol when dividing by 10 divided by -2, when dividing by negative number. Okay, so again, let me ask you this. Why do you have to flip the symbol? You flip the symbol when you divide both sides by negative. That's how easy it is. Now, how about if you have number 3? 0 Okay. For the first two problems, you only want to have one symbol. For the third one, we are having two symbols this time. Now, what I like about this problem is, again, we still need to apply the same concept, but in the middle part, we just have to have x alone. Now, see, we have 2x minus 3 in the middle. I need to get rid of that minus 3. So, aside from moving the minus 3 over, you have to see to the right. You also have to do the same thing when to the left side to both sides of the inequality. Or you can simply do plus 3. So now I have 0 plus 3 is 3. And because you just move this -3, you just have to just ignore it. We're done with that -3 there. So now we have 12. Again, we want to have x alone in the middle. And I have that stupid 2. Divide everything by 2 just to get rid of that. Now I have 3 over 2. And now I have x. And the symbol 6. That's how you solve it. Let me give you another one. Number 4. How about if you have 9, let's say negative 2, over 3x minus there you go. This is interesting. Okay. Again, from what we learned before you get rid of that fraction, we have to get rid of the parentheses first. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8. Now that we're done with the parentheses, we can go ahead and multiply everything by 3, which is your denominator is, the denominator is 3 again. We have to multiply everything by 3. Common sense this time, mental math. Here we go, negative 6. Because the purpose of multiplying everything by 3 is to get rid of that. Just get rid of that, then there you go. Multiply this by 3. Multiply that by 3. And here we go. Multiply that by 3 as well. But I can combine those two. 2 minus 6 is negative 4x. But wait, I need to have x alone. That means we need to get rid of that minus 4. Move it over to the left, move it over to the minus 24, move it over to the left, move it over to the right, becomes plus 24. Just because it's negative, then plus 24 also, because it's negative. And now I have 24 minus 6 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, there you go. So 18. Now I have negative 4x. 24, so negative 4x. So this is giving me 39. Now I want to have x alone again, but I need to divide everything by negative 4, negative 4. Here we go. We're dividing both by negative, so we have to flip the side. So final answer is 18 divided by negative 4 is negative 9 over 2. Flip, because we're dividing everything by negative, we have to flip it. Flip the sign also, and I have negative 39 over 4. So this is the final answer.